Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 11th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on this 4 hour time frame, we definitely have what I would consider a very nice five waves down right here. If you actually look, you can see the subdivisions of each one of these waves, the wave one, the wave three, and the wave five. So if that's true, we might end up being due for a much bigger pullback, maybe even a pullback to this whole move down. I'm not really convinced that the higher time frames are over, which is why there's also a possibility in my mind that it could just end up being like a pullback to this last wave down, end up looking something like this, and then potentially continuing down in a week or so. Either way, we might end up getting a little bit of a push up. Today is CPI inflation data for the US, and that is likely to cause some pretty decent volatility. Now, a lot of times you do get a little bit of a trap. So, looking at the dollar index, I do think there is a chance we might get a push down, might even go down to like the 78% and then reverse back up like that. I think it would make sense for it to do that, and it would potentially trap people in a sell. Then, like I said, it might end up making some sort of a corrective pattern over the next few weeks before it ends up continuing the higher time frame downtrend. So today is the CPI inflation data news, so definitely trade with caution as always. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.